slow. What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? Ignorant mother fuck. Right in front of me and no signal. Dipshit. That was fucking brilliant. That was a brilliant fucking move, dude. Nice. Yeah. That's great. Fucking idiot. You want to fucking act big and bad, throw your door open, but you're not climbing out of the goddamn truck.